In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bold letters in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and bring up the worksheet you want to work on. If you're practicing for the first time, it helps to use a simple sheet with a few labels and numbers so you can clearly see the formatting change. Before we apply anything, it's useful to understand why bold formatting matters. In Excel, bold text helps important information stand out right away. It's commonly used for headings, totals, labels, and other key values that you want people to notice first. This can make your worksheet easier to read and much more organized, especially when you're working with tables or reports. For this example, imagine you have a small set of sample data with product names and sales amounts. You might have items like laptop, mouse, and keyboard, along with a total row at the bottom. In a worksheet like this, bold formatting is especially useful for column headings or the final total, because it visually separates important information from the rest of the data. Now let's look at the easiest method, which is also the recommended one. Start by selecting the cell or range of cells you want to format. This could be a single heading, an entire row of labels, or a total value. Make sure the correct cell or group of cells is highlighted before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab in Excel. This is where most common formatting tools are located. In the font group, you'll see the bold button, which is represented by a capital B. Click that button once, and the selected text will immediately appear in bold. This is the quickest and most straightforward way to apply bold formatting in Excel. It's especially helpful when you want to make changes fast, without opening extra menus or settings. If you decide later that you no longer want the text to be bold, simply click the same bold button again while the formatted cell is selected. Excel uses this as a toggle, so one click turns bold on and another click turns it off. Once applied, the text becomes more noticeable and easier to scan, which is exactly what you want for important worksheet content. A good tip is to use bold sparingly. If everything is bold, then nothing really stands out. Try reserving it for the most important parts of your sheet, such as titles, headers, and totals. That's all it takes to make bold letters in Excel. As you continue formatting your worksheets, small changes like this can make a big difference in clarity and presentation.